Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if your Instagram account has been disabled, so how you can fix this problem. So you need to know that mostly you can't recover your account, so you can't restore it only if it's your own account. So you just if you just add to this account some maybe only travel pictures or just some cars and not yourself, so you can't approve your owning of this account. Instagram won't restore it. So you in my opinion better way is just create new account and just use new account, because mostly you just waste your time and you will have no result. So I think so. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.